Put some muscle on it. There you go. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Neil.
And I'm Tyler.
Yep, today we're going to be doing the Mercedes Big Brake Kit upgrade. And to do that, I'll show you what we've got to use. We've got a caliper from an S500 2001 Mercedes. And we have our disc brake. That's for a 2012 Mercedes R350. We also have our aluminum hub-centric rings that are the 67.1 to the 60.1. So because this is bored out more than the hub. We have our lock washers for the end of the bolts that go over here, and some M12 flat washers to make spacers. And we'll show you how all that goes together. Alright, we're going to start by removing the tire. Tyler, go ahead and take all the lug nuts off. All the lug nuts are out of the way. Take the tire off, obviously. There you go. Alright, we're going to start by taking off the two bolts, this one and this one. Alright, go ahead and take those off, Ty. Okay, let's get in here. There we go. Put some muscle on it. There you go. Now break the other one.
Oh, okay.
Watch your hand. There you go.
Trying to pinch me.
Alright. Oh. Pull off the disc. It is on there. Okay. One disc brake out of the way. Now in removing the dust shield, you can either use some tin snips or a grinder. I'm fine just using the tin snips. Gotta break this loose, so we're gonna hit it with some WD-40. Yep, that's good. Moving towards the front of the car. Really just twisting back.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so we have two clips we need to remove. We have this one right here, this horseshoe clip, and we also have one up here. So we're going to go ahead and take those off real quick. My shoulder's not liking this.
Do you need me to do it?
Okay. So while Tyler holds this in place, I'm just going to cut this brake line since we're not going to be using it. It's about time for a new razor. Still got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
There we go.
Okay. Set this down.
Ooh.
Okay. Where's that 17 tie? There we go. Brake line removed. Point that up so we don't get a ton of brake fluid leaking everywhere. Now we're gonna put the hoses together. Down here. Okay. Now go ahead and turn that. Keep going. You're gonna go for a few. Okay, now it's not doing it anymore on its own. Go ahead and stop there. Oops. And good and tight. Yep. Nice and good and tight. Alright, and I'll show you the reason why we use the hub-centric ring right now. And when you go to put this guy on,
You want to line it up.
well, see how there's a gap right here? There's a gap here, then all the weight is just sitting on the lug nuts. So we use our hub-centric ring. Put it on. That covers that fills the gap. Now Tyler, if you can grab me a lug nut, please.
Yep.
And we'll hold this. Hand me one more. That way it'll help hold this in place while we put the caliper on. So this is where all the washers come into play. Got a lock washer here, and then our flat washers. So comes in here. Then our washers come on this side to act as a spacer. If you want or know someone that has a spacer they can make for you, it's about 5 millimeters. Alright, now that we've got that threaded, we just need to get the bottom one done now. Now we just need to tighten these up. It's an 18 millimeter. Make this good and tight. Make sure it clamps down on that snap ring. Yep. There we go. All right. Now it's time to bleed the brakes. Now that the brakes are all bled, now we just got to take off the lug nuts and put the tire back on. All right, now we just need to tighten these up. Always go in a star pattern. Now we'll put it on the ground and then we'll torque it down to 90. So all we got to do is torque it down to 90 now that we're down on the ground. And that's how you install the Mercedes Big Brake Kit on the Supra. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Comment down below, and then we'll see you in the next one.